You need people like me.
Come on. So that's how we're starting today's video with the Mustang GT approaching. I'm about to turn off my car because it's been on for some time. So as usual guys, like the video, share the video, comment your favorite parts, and Emma, tiaso na mentie bibi. So this is the Mustang GT, and it has been touched by who?
Yes.
Come on. Oh my days. It's loud. It's very loud. It has like the Corsa exhaust on it. No cats. The cats are dead. Hey Ben, congratulations.
Thank you.
This is what do you do for a living?
I spent daddy's money.
You spend daddy's money. Wow, can you give me some of daddy's money?
Let's talk about it.
Thank you, sir. Come on. The last car we sat on now one when we went to Apenya, if you remember. I'll put the video up here somewhere. CLS 63 company. Oh wow! Oh my days. Yo, get me one of those AMGs. Get me one ASAP. Are you guys fans of the CH Corvette? I once wasn't, but now I think I'm beginning to like it. And how the CH Corvette. Look at him. So I have some questions to ask the car guys behind the camera now. First of all, what's your favorite three-car? What's your favorite three-car garage?
So
one SUV, one supercar, and then one daily.
One SUV, one supercar, one daily.
Yeah.
Daily BMW M340i.
Okay.
SUV Jeep Trackhawk, the Trackhawk.
Serious.
Supercar 911 Tiguan.
That's hard. What's yours?
SUV, I'd go for X6M Corvette.
That's cool.
Then sedan M5 CS, and then daily a Kia Stinger.
Serious. What's yours? Your favorite three-car garage? One SUV, one daily, and one supercar.
SUV, the Escalade V.
Ooh, that's different. That's different.
Supercar. Okay, daily I'll go with 911 GT3.
911 GT3. Are you sure you can daily that? You're back.
I want to.
Okay.
What will you do? Actually.
And the last one.
Supercar. Wow. 720s.
Boss, what were your favorite three cars in the whole world?
Bugatti Chiron.
Come on.
AMG Maybach.
Come on.
G-Wagon.
Aye. You be so.
But you're fan on it.
Yeah, fan no. You be sika. See, I'm catching the angles for you, so you better like the videos. Please. Mustang GT 55IS and C8 Corvette.
No. Ah, they call it. No. Cool it down. Cool it down.
Quite violent sounding, even without pops.
Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma.
Come on. My ears are legitimately going to pop. Jose! Hey, we do my dear no. Bessie, you've caught people, you can't.
Give me one more. This one.
See, everybody pull off.
So if you wait, then you step like that.
Bessie, give us some more, give us some more. Let me stand back. This is jetty. This is jetty. And this is an E63 S. This is what I drove in the last video, and it's very fast. I like manual.
Of course.
Emmanuel.
Boom, boom, boom.
Timsintim. Tum 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 to the hill. It's much spicier than the other day.
Ah, Rudy.
I wonder like where you go past. Hey, stop that. Oh wow. AMG Force.
That's crazy. That's actually very crazy.
Come.
Who that? The kid just a drive for doubt.
Who that?
For the guys.
Yeah, I'm like,
Are you recording?
I'm recording.
This is why I go by it.
I want the entire. My tree is not good, Charlie.
La familia! La familia! La familia! La familia! La familia! La familia!
Enthusiast is coming up here. Guys, I stayed back just because of you guys. So like this video. Like this video. Hopefully I get a 20-minute video in this one too. They should be pulling up by now. Yeah, they should be here by now. Okay, no, that's not them. Martin will say oh. You say oh. Yeah, they are here. Our lineup goes crazy. The lineup goes crazy.
That's a crazy lineup.
Ibab.
That's a crazy lineup. Charity lineup, come on the top. Charity lineup, come on the top. Charity lineup, come on the top.
I can smell brakes and power. Did you catch the afterburn? Yo, that was crazy. Atasa, you use oh man. Those are gonna give us some revs. Nah, the Corvette held that. It held that. Yo, he really did his thing. If you saw how he exited and overtook the car. That's car control. Yo, that's mad. You guys need to hear this. I'm actually going to pop my ears because of you. Charlie, go.
Bugatti Shalom.
Like you for just.